I created this initiative because when I first came to Bowie State University 5 years ago, I was impressed with the strength of our program in public administration, but I was also impressed that we hadn't really provided any opportunity for our students to get familiar with the role that philanthropy has played. I think this work is important. Much of philanthropy is dedicated to improving life chances for people who need help, for institutions that need strengthening, for communities that need to be lifted. The university really prides itself on trying to provide diverse experiences as part of the learning and training that we do here.
So aiding the professionals early in their careers is what we're made of. I believe that the philanthropy program is filling in the blanks. They're able to get that hands-on experience and knowledge, and that really brings all of that theoretical knowledge to life.
I think it's really important to receive mentorship and access to unfamiliar career paths, because it's hard to imagine what you can be if you don't know it's out there for you. I did not have any knowledge of philanthropy prior to the fellowship. I think it's really important for both young people and people of color to have exposure working in philanthropy, because a lot of the times the programs that philanthropy serves are in communities where there's large concentrations of young people and people of color, and so we should be involved in decisions that are about us, I think.
That we have a role, particularly as an HBCU, to educate our students so they can be much more conversant with the way this field works and much more able to contribute to the way it works in serving the communities we care about.
The fellowship introduced me to philanthropy in a way that was really interesting, because it's all around us, and I think that we don't necessarily know that philanthropy is philanthropy, and that the barrier to entry is not as high as we may think it is. After finishing the fellowship, I think I definitely have grown personally and professionally. I've made a lot of different connections, expanded my network, and I'm just able to have conversations as far as philanthropy and the happenings of the nonprofit sector in ways that I couldn't before I started the fellowship.
When I think about our students and what they get from the philanthropy program, they go home to the communities. So the learning isn't just for them, it is for the entire community.
It's one thing to be a student, to learn a lot about how the world works or how it should work. It's another thing to be able to see your role in that complex array of issues. So if there's a legacy that I hope for here, it would be in the profile of the students who come through this program and what they tend to look like 15 years from now in terms of their professional profiles, their contributions to public policy and programs, and the number of people they've been able to bring along in their wake to also join them in the philanthropic and nonprofit space.
Special thanks to Dr. Hyman, Ms. Mack, my fellow cohort, Tides, and everybody that's poured into me during this time.